it's your boy Lowbro back at it again with another video. I'm sure you guys already know what this video is going to be about just by looking at the title. So today I'm here with Brendan Ashcraft. His YouTube channel is Brennyboi, and today we're going to be talking about how to study for finals, so that way you guys can get prepared for these things. So without further ado, let's begin. So your first step is to get a study sheet from all of your teachers. I'm sure most of your teachers have handed out your study sheets by now.
No, none of mine have.
How?
None of them have.
And Brendan does have a point. If your teachers have not handed out any sheets, refer back to the notes that you've taken, or like the assignments that you've been taking or quizzes. Just refer back to those, because guarantee those will be on the tests or your final exams. And we're back. There was definitely no cutscene there. Just kidding. There was just a little interruption there, but we're back. Okay, going on to the second step to study. Fill out your study sheets if you've gotten them, because don't expect yourself to know these answers just by not doing these sheets. That's what these sheets are for. They're trying to get you to understand what's going to be on the test. About 90 to 80%, or just 90% of the items that are on the study sheets will be on the test, guaranteed. Got anything to add?
I mean, unless your teacher's an ass, that's how it will work. Yeah.
But I highly doubt your teachers would be like that, because I'm sure teachers would want you guys to succeed.
Yeah, hopefully you guys have pretty decent teachers. If you don't, then just fight for your grades, you know? Don't just let them fail you.
Yeah.
Talk to them.
Yeah.
If you have a bad grade in it right now, talk to them about what you can do to get that grade up. Well, right now it's a bit, I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit late, but just talk to them about if you're having issues doing stuff in the class.
Don't just ask questions. They'll be more than happy to help.
Ask them questions. Get help from them. Don't this is an issue I had last year. I didn't ask for help, so yeah, and that didn't really end all that well. I ended up rushing. It just didn't end up good. Yeah, so just ask teachers for help. Yeah.
Going on to the third step, take notes. And that's pretty much gonna help you. It gives you more examples on how to solve a problem. For math, you should definitely take notes in math. Even if you're good at math, I would highly recommend taking notes, just because there are formulas that you don't know, and some of these formulas can actually help you solve these problems a lot faster.
Now, if you're in chemistry, I took chemistry last year. If you're in chemistry, definitely take notes. I regretted that one.
Oh, yes. Chemistry and physics, definitely take notes. Those are for people that are in sophomore or junior year. For those of you seniors, I'm not so sure which classes you have, but it really doesn't matter which class you have. Take notes, definitely.
Yeah, and even if you don't want it, I'm the person that doesn't really want to take notes.
Yeah, and same with me. I don't feel like it. I feel like it's just gonna tire me out, but it's worth it. It's not worth just slacking off.
It's worth it. And a good opportunity is when the teachers just putting out notes for you to copy into your textbook. Not textbook. Into your notebook.
Yeah, notebook. I mean, you can put it in a textbook or notebook.
So it's a good opportunity if that happens, because it's a bit easier just to copy off of what the teacher's put down on the board. Right now, my Algebra 2 teacher, just yesterday, she put up all the formulas we'll need to know on the board, and just follow along, write down the notes. It's easier than just doing it by yourself, trying to choose out what's important and what's not.
Alright. And going on to the fourth step, we have you guys need to believe in yourselves. You need to believe that you can take this test without any stress or I know a lot of people are getting stressed over this. But you guys need to believe that you guys can pass this test. Like, you need to believe, I got this. I have nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Because oftentimes if you do say, this is too much, I'm done, you're gonna fail definitely.
Yeah, I mean, what Logan just said, it sounded a bit cliche, but it's actually pretty accurate. Just have confidence in yourself and just like do your best, and if you're not good at a class, still do your best. Like talk to the teacher, tell them you're struggling in that class.
They'll have solutions to help you.
Yeah, teachers. Most teachers support you. There's some that are like just yeah.
All right. The fifth step is elimination. Now, some of you guys don't know what I'm talking about. You guys might think I'm talking math. I'm not talking math at all. What I mean by elimination is most of the time your questions will have like 4 multiple choice answers, and you like eliminate answers that you know that are true. That way you can have much higher chances of selecting the right answer. And that's for questions if you are not familiar, like to give it your best guess. Just eliminate any questions that you know are not true, and until you could probably get like a 50-50 chance or 33% chance.
Yeah, and so also with elimination, this is another thing that came to mind. So if you're taking a class and you have a ton of missing assignments, what I do is try and turn in the ones that are worth the most first. Focus on those. So like for example, if you have an assignment that's worth 50 points, and then another one worth like 10 or 20 points, work on the one that's worth 50 points. It'll increase your grade more than the one that's worth 10 or 20 points. Because if you turn the one that's 10 or 20 points, it'll increase your grade, but not as much as if you turn the one that's 50 points.
Of course, you know, like homework is usually like 10% of your grade. Tests are mostly like 20. And projects might be like 15, and if you're like missing a project and a homework assignment, worry about the project first before the homework, because that's more of, that'll, increase your grade. The next step is the sixth step, and that is studying with your brothers or your friends.
That's not gonna happen.
Here's an example. Since me and Brendan are in the same class and we like have the same assignments for the final, we could like quiz each other. That way, it can help us.
Yeah. So if you know someone in class, like friends or even an acquaintance, like one of your other classes or something, just ask them.
Like, are you free to study? Like, should we get together and like just quiz each other?
It's a good thing to quiz each other, so it shows how much you actually remember. Yeah.
And now going on to the seventh step.
How many steps are there?
Quite a bit actually. But the seventh step is organize your schedule. Since you know like what classes you'll be having like on a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that's usually about the finals week. Let's say you have reading or English on Wednesday and then science on Thursday. Highly recommend study for like the classes that are first.
If you have chemistry on Thursday, just go hide in the corner. That's what I did.
Yes,
No.
Just go hide in the
No,
corner.
no, don't.
No, I'm just kidding.
Don't do that.
Alright, I'll cut that out.
Yeah.
And if you guys do not know the schedule, I would advise you guys to check in with a teacher or like someone that knows the schedule. And
Yeah.
if
You
got
know
anything
someone
to add
that
to that.
knows it. Yeah, so it's good to know the schedule, to know what class you're going to next, so you won't be like, you won't just be wondering what class you're going to, obviously. I mean, there's a reason for the schedule. It's the main reason. If on the schedule, you're going to be allowed, like, confused. Like, if you're a freshman, for example, you won't know what the heck to do. Even sometimes the final schedule changes.
So for those of you freshmen out there that are nervous about a high school final, just refer to this video. This video will definitely make a big difference. I'm sorry guys, I know there's a lot of steps, but we're going on to the 8th step. Make sure you guys get enough sleep and eat a balanced breakfast.
That should be step 1.
That probably should have been step 1, but I meant to put it for step 1, but for now I'll just talk about it right now. Getting enough sleep is very important, especially for a test, because if you take there is scientific proof that if you do take a test when you are pretty tired, you can actually lose your focus and you just won't remember that much. And trust me, this is no lie. Got anything to add?
I mean, I'm tired right now.
I mean, I get it. I'm tired too, but try to get more sleep than you usually do.
Eat freaking eggs, and yeah, eat eggs, eat protein, and you'll be good. And throw down those Jimmy Dean sandwiches.
All right, guys. So step number 9 is that's the end of this video. So if you guys love this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that little bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Brennyboi, aka Brendan Ashcraft's channel. And other than that, guys, I wish you all good luck and do good on your finals, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Goodbye.
All right.